Hey guys, Chris here with OmniMetrics, and welcome back to the channel and the next installment of the OmniView tutorial series. Today's video, I'm going to show you the new custom tagging feature that we released within OmniView. Now, what's cool about this feature is if you are responsible for multiple units in different regions or areas, you can create custom names that can filter out, and it essentially tags the unit so you can see those units that you're responsible for, or even just break it down in the different areas if you want to see it that way as well. So without further ado, let's dive in and I'll show it to you. Now, first things first, you'll need to log into OmniView. Now, I mentioned that this is a great way to filter out units by regions, but another great way that you can do this is, let's just say you have text assigned to specific units. You can put the text name, so in this case, I will use my own name, Chris, and tag all the units Chris that I'm responsible for. You can do the same thing with John, Joe, Jim, Christine, whoever it may be. You can make the tags whatever you need to. You can also apply as many tags to a unit as possible just to make it easier to filter whatever you want to specifically see. The other cool thing about this feature is the tags can be seen by everyone in your company. So if you go and assign the units based on the tech, if the tech needs to go in and see what he or she is responsible for, they can go in, click their name, and it filters it that way. So it gives a lot of versatility and customization to what you can do with it. Now, first thing you'll need to do after you log in is enable the attribute tagging. And what you'll do on the left-hand side, go to configuration and then company info. Once you get to company info, scroll down on the right-hand column and you'll see enable attribute tagging. Check the box, hit update, and that will enable the actual feature and the column itself. Now, if that was already checked and you don't see the column, I'll show you how to expand the column. But once you enable, go back to your dashboard and you'll go to any column with these three little dots. Click those, click choose columns, hit tags, and you'll notice the tag column is now here. Now you have beta, demo, first, tracking. There's a lot of different tags already in here. Yours will probably look like this where it says select a tag. That means no tag has been applied to that specific unit. So if I wanted to assign Chris, myself, all of the units I'm responsible for, just type in Chris, hit enter, it'll tag the unit. Now I did this on purpose. Notice the column actually disappeared because there was one thing that I forgot to do, and that was save the grid configuration. So when I tagged the unit and it refreshed the dashboard, I did not save the grid config to show the tags. So it's very important that you do that. Should you make the mistake that I just made, hit the dots again, choose columns, find tags, and then just hit save grid config. And that will make sure that your tags are actually showing in your dashboard. Now, because I had already saved it and tagged that unit, notice I have Chris already tagged on parking garage number 14, and I'll do the rest of the units that I have. So Chris here, Chris here. Now, let's just say I wanted to do all the units in Georgia, and there's one that I'm not responsible for. We'll type in Georgia, but then I'll go type Georgia, Georgia, and Georgia. And notice I'm able to add those tags to all the different monitors themselves. And how you would filter is, if I want to just see the units that I am responsible for, I would find my name, Chris, hit select. Notice it brings that up. Now, if I only want to see the units I'm responsible for, just hit save grid config and it will save that for you as well. But let's just say I also wanted to see all the ones that were in Georgia as well. Just hit Georgia. And notice it expands out to that filter and shows all the units in Georgia. So it's that simple, and it's, again, you can customize it however you need to. You can add as many tags as you need to. It's a very versatile tool to allow you guys to really narrow down the data that you're trying to see and the monitors that you're trying to see as well. So that's the attribute tagging feature. As I like to end all these videos, there's the customer support section here on the left. You have your customer support form. This will put you in contact with our tech support team should you have any issues. You have our OMV 2.0 feedback form. That will allow you to provide us feedback to create more features like this. This is how we came up with the maintenance schedule feature. It's how we came up with this tagging feature. Anything that can enhance your user experience, Just pitch us the idea and we'll work on it for you because we really want to make this a growing platform that has all of your wants and needs in mind. You also have the video tutorials here. It'll take you to our YouTube channel where you can see more tutorials like this. The dashboard video also has the tutorial video linked right here. So if you need to learn how to do the custom dashboard, you can go there as well. So on behalf of OmniMetrics, thank you for your partnership and support, and we'll see you next time.